In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the tax rate on Xero. Whether you're new to Xero or just need a quick refresh on updating tax rates, you're in the right place. Changing tax rates is an essential part of managing your business finances, as it ensures that you're collecting the correct amount of tax on sales and paying the right amount on your purchases. Let's dive in and learn how to make these changes step by step. First things first, we need to access the Xero platform. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Xero website. Once there, you'll spot the login button situated at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. This is your gateway to entering the Xero dashboard where all the magic happens. After clicking on login, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Type in the email address and password associated with your Xero account. These credentials are key to accessing your financial information securely, so make sure you enter them correctly. With your credentials entered, go ahead and hit the Login button. This action whisks you away to your Xero dashboard, a hub for all your accounting needs. From here, we're going to navigate to the specific area where tax rates can be modified. Look for the Accounting menu. It's here that Xero organizes a lot of its financial tools and reports. Hover over or click on this menu to find the option you need. To proceed with our task, you'll need to locate and select the Advanced submenu. This submenu houses several advanced settings and features that offer more control over your financial management. Once you're in the Advanced section, your next step is to find and click on Tax Rates. This is where Xero lists all the tax rates currently set up in your account. Tax rates can vary based on your business location, the types of products or services you sell, and other factors, so it's crucial to review and update them as needed. Within the tax rates section, the next move is to choose your tax profile. Your tax profile encapsulates the various tax rates and rules applicable to your transactions. It's essential to select the correct profile to ensure that your financial records are accurate and compliant with local tax laws. Now let's get to the heart of the matter, changing the tax components percentage. Tax components are the individual parts that make up the total tax rate applied to a transaction. To update a component, navigate to the tax rate you wish to adjust and edit the percentage value as needed. This adjustment could be due to changes in tax legislation or a correction to an earlier setup. After making your adjustments, remember to save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom or top right corner of your screen. Clicking Save ensures that all the adjustments you've made to the tax components are updated and will be correctly applied to future transactions. And that's it. You've successfully updated the tax rate in your Xero account. Remember, keeping your tax rates updated is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records and staying compliant with tax regulations. It's a good idea to periodically review these settings, especially when there are changes in tax laws or your business operations. To wrap up, changing tax rates in Xero doesn't have to be complicated. By following the steps we've covered today, you'll be able to make these changes quickly and efficiently, ensuring your business stays on top of its financial game. Don't hesitate to revisit this tutorial anytime you need a refresher or when tax rates change. Thank you for joining me today, and here's to your business's financial health.